All right, you guys, with all that being said, let's get started. I'm about to give you a really quick tutorial on how I fry my strawberry cake. Okay, I've been seeing people asking me how I do it. So now I'm about to show you guys. And before I even show you, y'all, let me tell y'all something. I've been going to Walmart for years. Okay, for years. And when I tell you, this is the first time that I actually bought some strawberry, and look how it look, y'all. It is so pretty. This is pretty. This is so pretty. I never get strawberry like this. I don't, y'all. I was like, oh my God, what is really going on here? And they're huge. Huge. But like I said, you guys, I'm gonna give you a really quick tutorial. I'm about to turn my stove on and show you guys how I make my fried strawberry cake. I already made the cake. I've already diced them in slices, as you can see. They're already diced and sliced. Okay. I'm waiting on my pan to heat up. I'm gonna cut a little butter. Put the butter in the pan and I'm gonna fry it. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It don't take long, y'all. It really truly don't take long. Also, I'm using, because I said that this is going to be a really quick tutorial. I went and bought store-bought whipped cream. I told y'all I'm about saving money. I ain't studying name. I just want the product. Because the only thing you're paying for is the name. Great value is valuable to me. Okay? But yeah, I can show you how to make homemade whipped cream. You use egg white, you whip it, you put your little sugar in there, put you some vanilla extract, and whip it up until it fluff up like whipped cream. It is so simple. I just don't have time to do it because it's a long process. So I gotta make this really quick because I do have to go to work. Okay, I got a stick of butter. You can get non-salt butter. I think will be better because you already have the cake, and then the syrup that already has a little salt in it, so you don't want to put salt on top of salt. So you all get you the butter with no salt in it. Okay, still gonna taste the same, I promise you. People will say, oh, it's not gonna taste the same. Yes, it will. It's all in your mind. It still tastes the same. Okay, so make sure you get your stick of butter ready, which I already have it here. Like I said, I got my pan heating up. Okay, so I'm letting that get hot so I can put my butter inside of the pan. Y'all didn't see that, did you? So I'm just going to use a real small little container that I do have. Okay, let me get some of this stuff out my way. Get out of my way. How y'all doing? How is everybody doing? I'm gonna put my whipped cream on this side. Yes, I'm getting this order ready, baby. Getting it ready, okay? I use these. These are a medium size, which is $25. You guys, and if you follow my page, I also do them in the small cup. The small cup. Okay? I do them in that way. This is medium. And if you want a large, you'll get the real big bowl. Okay? You know, I told you I don't mind showing you what I do. I don't mind. Any recipe, you make it your own, you know. No, even though you may see what I'm doing, you might not like what I use, and you have your own idea of how you want things to use. And when I always make my strawberry cake to you guys, before I package it up, I always put me just a little of the syrup at the bottom, because I really want my cake to saturate, you know, my cake to saturate into the syrup. So I always put it in the bottom. Okay, I always put it in the bottom. Y'all, let me make sure I got this thing up right. But I be tripping sometimes. Okay. Yes, sir. I got it. Yes, sir. Now my pan is beginning to. My pan is getting hot. And each slice, you don't have to use a lot. You don't have to use a lot. This right here will take care of both sides. You see it? This will take care of both sides. You don't have to use a lot. After each slice that you do, wipe your pan off, put you some more butter, and just keep repeating. Y'all hear it? I know y'all hear it. Y'all hear it, don't you? Y'all hear it sizzling? Now I'm getting ready to drop my slice of cake into my pan. I will show you guys in a minute. Okay. I also, before I get ready to do my first layer, I always saturate the bottom. I'm always saturating the bottom, just so, like I said, I want my cake to, I want the cake, the syrup to saturate inside of the cake. So I do that first, and I do layer. Almost forgot. With this order too, I am using strawberry and pineapple. If you want to use fresh pineapple, same thing. I'm gonna use canned. Okay, I'm using canned pineapple. And I'm using a crush. You guys, I take a little drainer, so that way, because you don't want the juice from the pineapple inside of your cake. You don't want your cake to be wet. Okay, but you want it to still have the flavor, but you do not want it to be wet. Okay, so I'm gonna dump the pineapple inside of this, and this how it's gonna look. You see that? That's off. And I'm gonna put some here. I'm gonna put some here, and I'm gonna have a half one here, and it's gonna be layered. As you guys can see, this is the first layer. So now I'm gonna begin to put a little of pineapples on top, as well as strawberries. Okay, let it how it look. Once I've added the pineapple and the strawberry, ooh, don't that thing look good? Ooh, oh, that thing look good. That thing look good, y'all. I don't know. My customer might not get this one, honey. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Now I'm beginning to spread my whipped cream. You want it to be evenly all over. You want, I mean, when I tell you want to saturate this thing, you want to saturate this thing. Don't be scared. Hold on, you guys. Don't be scared to saturate that thing. Don't be scared. You can saturate this thing as much as you want to. As much as you want to. Now that's how I do, honey. It's just certain things I like. I love me some whipped cream. Homemade, store-bought. I don't care. And I like to eat, honey. I don't be playing no game. I don't play no game. We eat over here. I don't know about nobody else. But in this house, we eat. I can't speak on nobody else. But I can sure tell you what we do. And we eat. Honey, you open up some, honey. If you don't get you none out of it, you won't get none. My kids don't be playing. Sure, I don't be playing either, depending on what it is. I mean, I don't eat everything they eat, but depending on what it is. Sweet, honey, junk food, boy, stop. I don't be playing. All right, now you see, I've done the cake is at the bottom. I added the pineapple and the strawberry, and now here's the whipped cream. Whipped cream. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add another slice of my cake. Remember when I told you once you do your 4 slices, always wipe your pan off because you will have cake crumb inside. And guess what? Start it again. Wipe it off real good. Here you go. Hold on. It's my rate. Wipe it off really good. And roll with the next. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it? If you feel like you've missed anything, just let me know. And I shall go back and let you know. All right, y'all. Now, this is the second layer. You see it? You see how pretty it is? See how it's beginning to come together? Ooh, I don't know. He might not get these right here. I'm about to eat this myself. Not right. What y'all think? You like it? You see how pretty it is? Ooh, that thing's so pretty. See it. All right, you guys. I am officially done. I am putting the last of the whipped cream in this thing. And I will show you in a few minutes on how fried strawberry right now. I'm just spreading the whipped cream, y'all. That's all I'm doing right now. I'm just spreading the whipped cream. And you know what, y'all? I like to do it a little bit and mix just a little red up in there, just so that it can have that little color. How it look. I like for it to have that little pretty color. See, I like to slice mine in half because it gives it such a beautiful finish. To take this part here, I'll take the part that I cut off here, and what I'll do is I'll put it right in the center. And then I'll take the rest of the little pineapple that I do have, and then I'll just decorate it. Really all pretty like. Okay? Don't take nothing to do, y'all. Nothing. Are you ready? This is what it looked like. Hold on. Let me pick this thing up so y'all at what it is I've done. You see how pretty it is? That is how you fry strawberry. And every time I upload a video, I upload a video every single day. Every single day. So you guys, if you want to see more tutorials like this, go on over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel, Bree's Kitchen. Bree's Kitchen, Facebook, Instagram, Bree's Kitchen, YouTube. I'm out. Bye.
Oh my God.